Bowling Green, Kentucky. Yep, Kentucky has the highest number per capita of Americans who are prescribed Ozempic or a similar drug. NewsNation senior national correspondent Brian Entin went to the so-called Ozempic town and joins us live with more. I gotta tell you, I was surprised to hear it was this town in that state.
Yeah, who would have thought Kentucky, Elizabeth? And they really do call it that. The nickname really is Ozempic Town, USA. When I first saw the Bloomberg story about this, couldn't believe it, so we went out there to see it for ourselves. Bowling Green, Kentucky, home of the Fruit of the Loom World headquarters and the factory that builds the Chevy Corvette. But there's something else the all-American mid-sized Kentucky city is known for: Ozempic. Forget New York, LA, or Miami. More people are on weight loss drugs here in Kentucky than anywhere else in the country. Bowling Green now has the nickname Ozempic Town, USA. Hi, how are you? Weight loss clinics like Select Health have popped up around town, attracting women like Jen, Leslie, and Tina. How much did you lose?
Almost 60 pounds.
I lost 45.
70.
Jen O'Brien, a car saleswoman, went from this to this in the last year. Realtor Leslie Stark transformed her body with weight loss drugs, and accountant Tina Carter dropped more weight than she ever dreamed of. I never would have thought Bowling Green, Kentucky would be the #1 spot for this.
Well, I think that we all like to look great and we all like to eat good food. So that's probably...
They call it Ozempic Town, USA.
I think it's great.
Yeah, I think it's good because people are getting healthy.
Yeah.
Why is it so popular in Bowling Green? Partly because the drugs have become so affordable. Drugs like Ozempic cost thousands a month out of pocket, but clinics like Select Health now have access to compounds, generic forms of the drug created in local pharmacies that cost just a couple of $100s a month. Are you busier than ever, would you say?
I was busier than ever, couldn't keep up for a while. I hired another nurse practitioner. There's 3 of us. It started with just myself, and now we have 12 employees. Bowling Green nurse practitioner Lena Gogi says half her patients are on weight loss drugs. She herself lost 50 pounds on the drugs. Patients started coming in after they've been on it for a while, and they were telling us about food noise. I'd never heard of it. I remember my first patient came and they said, well, the food noise is gone. And I was like, I've never heard of food noise. What are you talking about? And they said, no, the food noise is gone. I used to think about food constantly, and I didn't realize it until I started taking the medicine. And the food noise is definitely real, especially when you're driving around Bowling Green, because there are restaurants and fast food restaurants and dessert restaurants pretty much everywhere you look. The signs are all up and down the roadways. And just driving in, I was my mouth is watering. There's like ice cream stores, and there's every restaurant chain here you can imagine. Is it hard not to slip back into...
It's all mental. I mean, for me, driving in the car, I drive a lot for my job. It's so hard. Because I'm like, gosh, I have 15 minutes to go eat. Kentucky ranked in the top 10 in the country for obesity, with almost half of the population overweight. And while the weight loss compound is significantly cheaper than Ozempic, it's still out of reach for most.
I'm a single mother with one son.
With one son?
So definitely I can afford that.
You couldn't afford it?
I have to go to work and then I have to buy his clothes for school. Too much.
Does it surprise you that so many people are on it here?
It does. I mean, not really because of the, like I said, eating habits, but it just surprises me that nobody wants to work out. I mean, I don't work out, but like, it's healthier to work out, I would say.
But these women say working out and eating healthy is part of the equation, but they also admit they couldn't have done it without the drugs. All of them have friends and family in Bowling Green also on the injections, hoping for the same results.
I feel like a new person. It's a mental game because like I still in my head feel like I'm that person, that size still.
When you go to the gym and you would look at a 50-pound weight on the ground and you realize that's what I just lost and I can't even pick it up, but I was carrying it around. My back doesn't hurt as bad. You know, when you don't have that extra fat on you, it just makes you feel so much better.
And those med spas really are all over the place there in Bowling Green. There are people we met, though, Elizabeth, who were on the drugs and then wanted to save the money, a couple $100s a month, went off of the injections, and many of them said they gained, 10, 20, all of the weight back. So
yeah, that's the problem.
Seemed to be an issue.
You have to stay on it forever. I mean,
yeah.
So, all right, Brian Entin, fascinating report. Thank you so much. Thanks so much for watching. Go to joinnn.com to find NewsNation on your television provider. And don't forget to click the red subscribe button below to get more of NewsNation's fact-driven, unbiased coverage.